The thing is that CSR is related to management, but being a communication studies student, it's very important that we need to understand that apart from spending, whatever the company's liabilities are there are different acts that we need to spend such an amount. What is the communication plan that is there inside or internal communication? This is basically a part of my thesis. I have just started, it's just 1.5 years right now. So I'm in the initial stage of PhD. Basically, I look into the broader aspect about the communication plan. And this is a theoretical aspect as what is the history, how it started, the CSR started, keeping in mind communication. If we are communication studies students, so we know that Rockefeller Foundation is one of the foundation that started the Chicago School. And from there somewhere I have picked up that how CSR came into existence in communication studies. So I won't deal in detail the historical aspect about the definition, but I'll directly go into as the different phases in India where CSR has started. There are two quotes that I have quoted that will give you a broader in mind detail that what is CSR and how important it is in related to development communication and what one of the company thinks that is CSR should be. Next, I would directly move on to the evolution of CSR in India. In the paper, I have dealt a little bit about the CSR in world as well as in Asia. The researcher basically has divided the CSR in India into 4 phases. Though the term CSR is comparatively new for India, but the concept itself dates back to over 100 years as the country has one of the richest tradition of benevolence. The researcher divides the evolution of CSR into 4 major phases. Phase 1, the first phase of CSR is known for its help and generous nature. Family values, traditions, culture and religion influence CSR. The wealth of businessmen during those days was spent on the welfare of society by setting up temples and religious institutions.